See how it's kind of like down?
We're going to pick up a drum kit. Okay, drum kit is in possession, as you can see. She gets out of the car, doesn't show me the kick drum, and just tries to shove it in the trunk. She's like, I don't want you to look at this thing.
Where do you want this, trunk or back seat?
I think $20 is worth it. I'm gonna use it to practice, but
yeah, no, it's good to practice on regardless.
It's got some child stickers all over it for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there is a huge dent. A little wobbly. What's your initial appraisal of this? I bought it for 20. That snare has potential.
My initial appraisal is that I would think you picked this out of a dumpster.
Okay.
All right, I feel some thickness in here. This is a decent amount. How many did we buy? I forgot. This one's a brown sound lodge and this one's a black sound lodge.
How do the stickers stick? That's some good sticking right there. Come on, man.
Manually approves.
Yeah, manually approves. Manny's been up here for... Is that rolling?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, sound lodge camera.
Can't even see if it's recording. How many are we gonna get? That's a sizable box right there. That's super racket.
That is a lot of stickers right there, boys.
Yeah, that's
and
a
girls.
fat stack right there.
Woo! Wow. All right, now let's go hit the city and just
put these on everything.
yeah.